Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a sofa back cover on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is a online shopping marketplace that delivers the product directly from China to their consumers and provides a 90 days return policy. So we can just open here temu.com. So here at the search button we can directly search for sofa back covers. Okay, so here we can see many covers. So I'm going with this will cost you 12.40 dollars approx. Okay, so here I will just open. So here we have, so this comes with different color: black, our wine red, earth color, and many others you can see. Okay, so here it is a water resistance and it comes with the different sizes. So it's a general size. Okay, here we can see the size also. If you want, you can just choose another sofa size also and you can accordingly fit it. So here we can see it comes with a great review. We can see the review photos also, some photos. Okay, and if you scroll down we can see the detail. So it is pet friendly, it is made of 100% polyester, it is a 3-seater sofa sectional. Here we can see. So to buy you have to click on the add to cart button, then you can click on buy button and then follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how you can buy to this is how to buy a sofa back cover on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.